Hey James, where are we?
Hey, we're in Tombstone, Arizona.
All right.
On Allen Street. Oh, there's a live show.
What?
Live show.
There's a show. There's cage together. And
He took over while Herb took over.
this is the bar what?
That he took over and he gambled at. The table up there to the left where Wild Herb sat and gambled and ran the table. When he came into town, he ran the guy out. Took over. This is his bar right here.
Legends Tour.
Haunted.
One of a kind, 15-minute indoor walkthrough attraction that combines history, fantasy, and special effects to entertain and educate you and your family as you step back into
James wants to go there.
legendary ghost stories that continue to haunt Tombstone.
There's this moon. Big nose lady. Shady lady. It is freezing, guys. Cold, yep. Come see for yourself, guys.
See what this is.
Oh, there is Brown's Hotel and Hefford Saloon. What's it like to read? You want to?
Oh, let's look farther.
Escobar. Let's see. Firehouse Carts. And today's show, gunfight of the people. What was the name of the food place?
Big Nose Cake Saloon.
Big Nose. Oh yeah. That's the one. They're coming up. Ooh, Lakeland. So beautiful. So if you like this kind of scenery, it's kind of fun. It'd be a lot funner if the weather was cooperating, but as you can see, it's sprinkling a bit, and I have 3 coats on because it's a bit chilly. I'll check this place out. One place
That I wanted to eat.
that we wanted to go inside and eat, and it is closed. It is closed. Just Jane's luck. Well, there's other places. There's a Longhorn restaurant, and we're parked just over there by the Tombstone engine. So not very far. All right, we're gonna get some more footages, and I might watch us a show pretty soon. What are we doing here?
You're gonna watch a show.
Okay. You took your mask off.
I know. I don't want to.
We'll go to the bathroom. Woohoo! So you can go up. Back there. Right there is where the shade's gonna be. The show's about to start in 30 minutes.
Make your fortune. There were 40,000 people in Arizona in 1880. And 5,000 of them were living in the dusty old streets outside these doors. I made a killing here. But I didn't kill anyone here. Bad for business. But there were plenty of killings at the Oriental Saloon, and today we will present to you some of the most fantastic shootouts that take place within these 4 walls. You'll meet men like Buckskin Frank Leslie, dangerous killers who were lucky at the card table and behind the 6-shooter, but who never caught the eye of Hollywood.
Mr. Oakes has been spouting off about up here, but he does not own the Oriental Saloon. I do. Oh yeah, he made a ridiculous offer on the gambling concession, but frankly, the Earps are not the type of people I'd ever want to know.
Evening, Nell! Go ahead, you were saying.
Me, I wasn't saying nothing.
Go on, Nell, sell out! I can run this place just fine. and you'll have enough money to go back to New York and live like a king.
Well,
Negotiate.
5,000?
5,000.
Well, Doc, welcome to Tombstone.
You're the one, Wyatt. Oh man, we'll get you patched up.
Shut me, Holiday.
You're welcome.
I heard what you've been saying about me, Holiday. And I know I'm a better man than you. I will outshoot you, drunk or sober, day or night. Think you could set that bottle down long enough to find out?
But you just want to get me outside so one of your little friends from Colorado can shoot me in the back. That's it, ain't it? How close am I? How stupid do y'all think I am?
Well, I think the Dodge City boys have got no more play in this town. We've got the money and we've got the men to run you out, and by God, we will.
But you can put a cork in this war talk. There's plenty of money to go around in a town like Tombstone. Ain't that right, folks? Yeah! You and your boys.
Take it outside and we finish it. I'll give you the first shot because that's the kind of man I am.
I'm glad not to mull in the seven this in the here and now. But I got too much respect for the cleaner lady. You get on out of here.
Doc, what in the world are you doing?
Nothing, Wyatt. It's just more nonsense with the slogans. I don't know why you let him in here.
Don't listen to him, Bart. You're welcome here.
That's good.
And your coin is good at the bar.
Yeah.
Tell all your friends.
You got so many friends.
They're welcome at the Oriental, too.
All right, Wyatt, we've been friends for a while now. Hell, I remember the good old days up in Denver. I also remember...
It's Holiday! Fella's got murder, man. You keep an eye on him.
Sound policy.
Damn, for a fella like me to worry about a fella like you. I'm very nice, Wyatt. Ain't much, but...
Yeah, I think I won this round.
Yes, you did. Your blood. Your mouth.
All right! If you want to back a desperate man into a corner, we'll settle this with our pistols.
Sir, I don't care to be threatened where I work. No won't be insulted anywhere. We get that talk someplace they're buying it.
Just want a drink, Frank.
They got drinks across the street, lots safer. These doors are weird. Okay, there you go.
I lost track.
Hello, Leslie!
Hey, watch yourself.
Now the bad man sent to Boot Hill without much fanfare. About 5 years after Billy Claiborne died, the silver mines here played out, and the long exodus from Tombstone began. By 1930, we were a population barely hanging on. By 1930, the building you're in now, the famous Oriental Saloon, was the town's Rexall drugstore. But we survived everything, the gunfighters, the outlaws, the politicians. And that's why they call us the town too tough to die. Thank you, folks.